Numpy statistical function. Consider an example. Say data 1 is equal to np dot array. Say 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8 9. So what is the shape of this array? This is 3 by 3. 3 by 3. This is 0 1. This inside list contain 3 elements, and again the array contain 3 elements. So the shape of this matrix, or you can say it is 3 by 3 matrix. So first we want to determine mean of this matrix. Then you can just enter the command mean data 1 dot mean. Okay, then you will get the mean of this array. Or there is one more method. If you enter here np dot mean array data 1, you will get a mean of the given data. What is the mean? Mean is nothing but the sum of elements divided by number of elements. In this way we can find a sum of this matrix. So what is the sum here? 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. This divided by 9. So this is equal to, if you try to find this mean in Python, then okay, so first we want to import numpy. So import numpy as np. Now define array. Here data 1 is equal to np dot array is the function we can pass a tuple or list to create an array. So say 1 2 3, then next 4 5 6 7 8 9, 7 8 9. Okay, and if you print data 1, we get and this array matrix. Okay, so what is the shape of this? If you print data 1 dot shape, then the shape of this matrix is equal to shape only. The shape of this matrix is what? 3 by 3. So now we want to determine mean. So print data 1 dot mean. By using this inbuilt function, you can find mean of these elements, mean of this matrix. It is nothing but the 1 plus 2 plus 3 4 plus 5 plus 6 7 plus 8 plus 9. It is what? 5.0. In other words, you can also find a mean by using print np dot mean data 1. So it is equal to, this way you can also find this is mean by using this function data 1 dot mean, and this mean we obtain by using np dot mean data 1. Similarly, if you want to determine median, then just enter here mean. Instead here mean, just enter median. You will get the median is equal to here, median is equal to median is what, 5.0. so these are some standard inbuilt function. Again you can find sum, sum you can find. So to find a sum, just if you enter here sum, print sum is equal to data1 dot sum. You will get the sum of each element of this matrix, so it is equal to what, 45. Sum of this matrix is equal to what, 45. Now next you can also obtain sum by axis 0 and axis 1. So what is axis 0 and axis 1? The axis 1 is a vertical axis, or in other words you can say columns. So here if this is the matrix given, say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So if you find a sum, say data1 dot sum along the axis 1, then it determines the sum, it is equal to 1 plus 4 5 plus 17, it is 12. So output is what, 12. Then 2 plus 5 7 plus 8 15, and here 3 plus 9 12 plus 6 is what, 18. So if you find a sum along the axis 1, so here I am writing median, here I am writing mean. Print sum, vertical sum, or you can say column sum is equal to data1 dot sum axis equal to 1. So now if you use this command and if you print, you will get what is sum. Sum is sum is equal to 6. This axis 1 is the sum of, this is axis 0, axis 0 not axis 1, axis 0. Here also want to change axis 0. This is sum along axis 0. Axis 0 determines the sum of columns and axis 1 determines sum of rows. So axis 0 is equal to what? Here the sum is equal to 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, then 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 6 15, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 8 24. So this way we can find a sum. So it is equal to it is 6 15 24. If you write here axis 1, then it determines the sum of rows, axis 0. If you find here axis 0, it is equal to, it is what, 12 15 18. So axis 0 determine the sum of columns. This is what, sum of columns, that is 1 plus 4 plus 7. You can check here. Sum axis 0 is what, 12 15 18. And if you write here axis 1, print the row sum is equal to row wise sum. You can say row wise sum is data1 dot sum axis 0, then here it is axis 1, we get, it is what, row sum is 6 15 24 and column sum is what, 12 15 18. So here I am explaining it again. Suppose this is the given matrix, say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and if you want to determine column sum, okay, then just write this column sum can be determined by using axis 0, and row sum can be calculated by using axis 1. So similarly uh, you can also find a mean of axis 1 and axis 0. So for example, if we take the same example here, and if we write here data 1 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and if you write here the mean data 1 dot mean axis equal to 0, then axis 0 determine the mean of columns. So here, what is the mean of this column? It is 1 plus 4 plus 7 divided by 3, then 2 plus 5 plus 8 divided by 3, and 3 plus 6 plus 9 divided by 3. So it is equal to 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 7 12, 12 divided by 3, so it is 4. Then 2 plus 5 7 plus 18, 15 divided by 3 is 5. 9 plus 18 divided by 6, so it is what? 4 5 6. So if you write axis 0 here, if you write data 1 mean axis 0, you will get 4 5 6. You can check here, it is what? 4 5 6. And if you write here axis 1 for the same matrix, say here, if you write a matrix is equal to data 1 is equal to say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and if you find data 1 dot mean along the axis equal to 1, then it determines the sum mean along the horizontal axis. Okay, this is what our row, it determines it is what? Horizontal axis. So what is the horizontal axis here? 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 3, 4 plus 5 plus 6 divided by 3, 7 plus 8 plus 9 divided by 3. So this is equal to 6 divided by 3, it is 2. Then here 4 plus 6 10 plus 5 15 divided by 3, it is 5. 7 plus 9, it is 7 plus 9 16, plus 8 24 divided by 3 is what? 8. So if you write here not sum, it is mean or average. So axis 1, it is what? It determine a row mean, row wise mean, then it is equal to what? You can check here 258. It is what? 258. So this way you can find mean and row along the horizontal axis and vertical axis. Now the next topic is we can generate a random matrix by using this can generate a random matrix. Suppose to generate a random matrix, we want to import from numpy dot random import randn. Okay, and if you write here data 1 is equal to randn of say order 4 by 4, this shape matrix you can generate. What is this function? It takes the standard normal distribution value, that is standard normal distribution, that is values lie between 0 and 1, and it generates a 4 by 4 matrix. So here if we write from numpy, yeah, from numpy dot random import rand and n, and if we write here data 1 is equal to, say, rand n, say all the shape of this matrix is what, 4 by 4, and if you print data 1, you will get a random matrix of order 4 by 4. Okay, it is what, 4 by 4 matrix. Then next, from this you can generate any shape. You can here 4 by 3 also you can generate. You can generate, say, 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. You can generate 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. Now you can also find this, the sum, print data 1 dot sum. Here you can also find it, the sum. What is the sum here? Minus 5.91169364. You can also find average here, mean. So print data 1 dot mean. You will get the, here the first is what, the sum, this is what the mean. Since every time it generates a new random matrix, so every time this sum and mean changes. If you run this one more times, you can check here the mean and sum get changed here. So now next you can replace, there is one more important function where by using this where function you can replace the positive value by some fixed number and negative value by some fixed number. That is, suppose here if we generate a random matrix, and if you want to replace all negative value by 5 and positive value by 6, then just write down here print np dot where, by using this function where data 1 greater than 0, if this is true then replace by 5, otherwise else replace by minus 5. So if you use this, you can check data 1 np dot where data 1 greater than 0, what is np is not defined. Okay, want to import numpy as np. So you can check here, for this negative value we replace by minus 5, for this negative value we replace by minus 5. Since it is a positive value, we replace it by 5. Since again here it is positive, we replace by 5. So this way you can replace the positive value by some fixed value and negative value by some fixed value. Next you can also find positive sum. So how many elements from this these are positive, by using here, if you write here, print data 1 greater than 0, how many dot sum. By using this function you can find how many elements are positive here. So, data 1, though which are greater than 0, data 1 greater than 0, So 5, want to print this matrix also. So print data 1. So if you print here, sorry, you can check here how many elements are positive. This is negative, 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 but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 elements from this matrix are positive. So by using this condition you can check how many elements are positive, and if you write here less than 0, then again it will generate the random matrix 2 elements are negative. Okay, so thank you.